So hi guys, we're here at the Super Center, Walmart Super Center, and today's recipe is shrimp and chicken Alfredo. So here are my ingredients I just picked up. I have a list, so I just pick up all this for my ingredients. I'll see you guys soon. Okay guys, we just left Walmart. We're heading to the car. There's Jackson, there's Karina and Christian. Got all our stuff. Okay guys, I'm just showing you how big my peppers are now. I think the last time I showed it to you was probably last week. Look at them. And we have, whoa, look at this one. I haven't seen this one. And I think these are called ghost peppers. Not I think, they are called ghost peppers. And I forgot what these ones are. These ones are different pepper. And remember I was telling you that I had a Scotch bonnet tree, but the trees died, so. But these peppers I heard are real hot though. And for today's recipe, we're gonna do an Alfredo sauce. So it's gonna be like a penne, the pasta is penne. So it's gonna be Alfredo sauce. So came out here because I need basil. All right, so here's my basil tree. There, so we're gonna get some fresh basil from this tree. And oh guys, here's the jackfruit tree thriving right there. I gotta repot it, and I don't know what's gonna happen to it this winter, but I gotta have a master plan for my jackfruit tree. Yep, so here we go. I'm gonna get some basil here. So maybe I'll try and get the big leaves. So I'll try probably some of these. See? Okay, and we'll come back guys. Okay, so here we go. So for our Alfredo sauce, okay, we have parsley. So this is a curly parsley. So this is about a tablespoon of curly parsley. And I'm gonna save the parsley for the end to kind of sprinkle over the pasta itself, the Alfredo pasta. Okay, so this is we have here onions. So this is about 2 tablespoons of chopped onions. We have I'd say 2 tablespoons of green onion chopped, and we have some garlic here. I grate the garlic, actually grated the garlic. So this is about a tablespoon of garlic, and we're gonna need the garlic to saute in with the butter. We're gonna saute the garlic with butter. Okay, and yeah, and I'll show you the recipe as I go along. Okay, so this is all our cheese. So here we have Parmesan. Underneath this we have an Italian mix of cheese, and I'll tell you what the mix of cheese is later. And this is about 3 tablespoons of cream cheese I added to this. And here we have our shrimp, shelled and deveined, and I put light seasoning on it. I put like crushed red pepper, so it's more like I got the pepper actually from Bulk Barn, a bulk store, so it's not like fresh red pepper, so it's like a dry pepper flake, that's what I'm trying to say. And so that's a shrimp, and a bit of garlic powders on it also. Okay, and over here I have my chicken. I went ahead and I sauteed the chicken in this pan here. So after what I'm gonna do the shrimp next. So here's the shrimp. So I'm gonna put this chicken in a bowl, and then I'm gonna saute the shrimp in here. And I'm trying guys to prepare all this because my little helper, she went to get her hair done, and when she comes back then we're gonna put this recipe all together. Okay, and I have the noodles over here. So the noodles is all cooked and it's ready for my little helper to come. See, there's our penne noodles, and to this I added a bit of Parmesan cheese and about a teaspoon of butter to this. So, and you know what, I did this so while it sits, the Parmesan cheese can get into the little into the little holes here in the penne noodles, so you'll have extra flavor and extra taste guys. This is gonna be amazing. Okay, so here's all our stuff. Oh, and I don't remember. Okay, and you saw me picking the fresh basil, so here it is. So this I'm gonna I'm gonna chop it finely and then add it to our Alfredo sauce, okay? So when my little helper comes back from getting her hair done, then we're gonna put all this goodness together, okay? Stay tuned, guys. Okay, guys, and another ingredient I forgot to mention is our roasted garlic. Okay, here it is. So I'm gonna add this actually to the Alfredo sauce, okay? And here I'm just preparing the pot to roast, not to roast, to saute our shrimp. So here we have olive oil, and here we have our shrimp, and that's what we're gonna do next. So I'll see you guys in about 5 minutes, which is gonna feel like 2 seconds, okay? Okay, so guys, now we're ready to make the Alfredo sauce. I got the butter and the garlic in the pot here sauteing. Our delicious butter and garlic. Alright, turn the stove up on high. Okay, so here we go. Alfredo sauce. As I was saying, my little helper Karina, she's gone to get her hair done. I've been waiting for her now for an hour and a half. I guess it's taking longer than I thought. So I think she'll be back just in time to do the taste test for us, okay? So as I said, so here we have our Alfredo sauce. Okay, so we added butter, garlic, and now onions. Okay, this is my way of doing this, guys. This has been a recipe I've been doing for many years. Whatever recipe you use, that's fantastic. As I said, everyone have their own way of cooking, okay? So we have our butter, garlic, onions in there. All right, and now we're gonna put our green onions. There it is. Okay, we don't want the garlic or the onions to burn, okay? Just want it to infuse the butter and get that niceness. Okay, so now we're adding our cheese. So we have a mixture of Italian cheese, and then we have the Parmesan cheese. Okay. And there it is. Okay, so I'm just going to turn this down so that it can melt slowly. Okay, I just went to get the heavy cream, guys. See, I turned the stove down. Lower than medium, okay? Turn it lower than medium, guys. You don't want this to burn at all. Okay, just keep turning this slowly. Now I'm gonna add my heavy cream. Okay, so I'm gonna add how much? We're gonna add probably. The thing is, guys, don't really measure stuff, but I'm gonna do it for you. Okay, I'm gonna measure out all this. So we're actually gonna do 2 cup heavy cream. There we go. 2 cup heavy cream. You don't want to use heavy cream, you could even use milk. Just 2% milk or a whole milk. Okay, I'm gonna raise the heat up back a little bit higher. Okay, and I'd say just keep stirring it. Make sure that it don't burn. Okay, so you don't want this to burn at all. Okay, so anyways, here is our sauce. I'm going to turn up the heat a little bit for it to get a little bit thicker. See, all our cheese is melting right now. Okay, and to this now I'm going to add, I'm going to add our roasted garlic. So here's our roasted garlic, guys. So we're going to add that to it. And believe it or not, this is the first time I'm adding roasted garlic to my Alfredo. But I just figured that's going to give it just a beautiful taste. All this goodness, look at that. So that's our Alfredo sauce, guys. Look at that. Okay, so you see a little bit of lumps still in there. We got to get that all melted. Okay, so now we're ready to add our penne pasta. So I'm gonna do this slowly. Okay. Okay, guys. So remember, you can use any pasta that you want to use. Any pasta that you want to use. I just choose penne because you know what? I figure that this one is gonna have so much flavor because you're gonna get the Alfredo sauce in it, you know, in this little hole here. See, it's gonna go in, and then it's gonna, all that flavor is just gonna stick in there and grab onto your lips. Now we're gonna add a bit of shrimp. Okay, try not to get, if you have the sauce from the shrimp, try not to get it in there, okay? Because you want to keep your pasta somewhat white. Yeah, you see, nice. See, there it is, guys. And I just add it slow because sometimes I have a habit of cooking too much pasta, and you don't want the pasta to overpower the sauce because it's called Alfredo, not pasta. Okay, so tell me, guys, how does that look? How does that look? Okay, so we're gonna add the rest of the shrimp, and after we add the rest of the shrimp, we're gonna add the chicken. If you don't like shrimp, you can add whatever meat or you know what, you can even add spinach. If you want this to be totally non-meat Alfredo, you can add your spinach, broccoli, even cauliflower. Whatever you like, you can add. Okay, so now all the shrimp is in there. Now we're gonna put our chicken. So here's our chicken. Okay, as I said, do not add sauce or gravy. Okay, try not to. So see, I'm just taking it out like that. What I should did do before was just strain it, but it's okay. Okay. And there we go. Guys, if you can smell the kitchen right now, you'd feel like you're in Rome. The way this right here is fine. We don't need to add any more pasta to this because you're gonna have more pasta than sauce. Okay, and what I do, I just sprinkle a little bit more Parmesan, okay, and a little bit of parsley on top. Okay, bam. Okay, and that's it. Here we go, guys. Here it is. Okay, that is our Alfredo pasta. And you know what, if you want it more like saucy, you can add you can even add half a cup milk to it because it's Alfredo sauce is mainly made up of, you know, nowadays it's mainly made up of heavy cream, milk, cheese, butter. That's what it is. That's what it is. So if you're watching your waistline, you could even use skim. You can use low-fat cream, skim milk, you know, low-fat cheese. You can use all those stuff in it, okay? You don't have to use heavy anything, okay? And you'll still have a lovely sauce. Okay, guys, there we have it. And then when my little niece comes up from getting her hair done, she's going to do the taste test to this, okay? See you then. So hello, Karina, you're enjoying your Alfredo pasta, right? Okay, so you're gonna do a taste test for us? Okay, go ahead. What do you think of it, Karina? It's good? Okay, and so there's shrimp and chicken in there? Yeah. So there you go, guys. Karina's enjoying her Alfredo. She loves it. And isn't her hair beautiful? She just got her hair done. Thank you, Karina. for test tasting this for me, okay? Okay. And at the end, we always say, don't forget to like, subscribe,
and comment.
Thank you.